Hi guys, I'm about to reveal how to rationalize the denominator. So we have an example here, 1 over the square root of 5. First of all, I'm going to explain to you why we rationalize the denominator. Basically, the denominator, which is the bottom part here, needs to be rationalized because the square root of 5 is not a square number, it's an irrational number. So if you square root it, you'll get some weird number, 2.3 something, whatever. So what we want to do is rationalize it and have a whole number on the bottom. So the question is, how do we do that? Very simply, all we have to do is multiply top and bottom by the denominator surd. So there are two steps in this process, and step number 1 is identifying the denominator. Quite simply here, the denominator is root 5. Step number 2 is multiply top and bottom by that denominator. So here we have the denominator, multiply top and bottom by it. Root 5 over root 5. Now, multiplying by root 5 over root 5 is the same as multiplying by 1. So nothing's really changed. The only transformation is that the denominator now will no longer be irrational. It will be a whole number. So let's continue the process. Root 5 times root 5 yields the square root of 25. And on the top, 1 times root 5 is simply root 5. Okay, now simplifying the denominator over here will be root 5 over, so let's write that down, root 5 over the square root of 25, which is simply 5. So our answer is the square root of 5 over 5.